Uh, Good afternoon, children. Welcome in YouTube channel Vivek Mishra, DEEPAK SIR Computer Classes. Okay, today we discuss the topic which is related to the class 9th, and the topic name is software and its type. Everyone know that what is the software. Simply, we say that it is a one type of the interface which communicate the hardware component with the end user. You can simply say, you understand that if you want to be cook your food, then it's need of gas cylinder, a stove, etc., chulha. So then you will try to make your food, okay, or prepare your food. Similarly, hardware component or communicate with the end user by the help of software or by the help of intermediate interface which is called software. Okay, software is a platform. Simply we say that software is a platform which communicate the end user or me with the hardware component. Okay, suppose you are a user and you want to use your Android application in your smartphone. So your smartphone have communicate with you by the help of Android application, and Android application is a software which communicate with me, with you, with this device or a equipment. Okay, so how many types of software? We know that the software are divided in mainly two types. We have divided the software in two types: system software and application software. System software and application software. What is the system software? Okay, system software is a platform where the multiple application or a software are properly working by the help or the instruction of user to hardware component. We simply say that system software is a set of instruction to operate or communicate with the hardware component to the user. Okay, simply we say that a hardware component have no any idea without give the instruction. So we give the instruction by the help of operating system, device driver, utility driver, etc. Okay, and these are the part of system software. So we simply say that system software is the set of instruction to communicate with the end user with the hardware component and give the instruction to properly and correct and right way of the work of hardware component. And we give the instruction to the hardware component, add the two numbers, so getting this value and convert into the binary code and calculate the result, add the 2 plus 2 and give the output result 4. Okay, so all the instruction which is given by me, which is given by you, by the businessman, anyone, to the component by the help of software, and this instruction is collected by the software and controlling and managing and give to the hardware and do the proper and correct information provide us. Okay, so we say that the system software is the set of instruction. Now come to the types of system software. We have divided the mainly system software in various types, and also I give the definition of system software. Okay, the system software is called manage and control the hardware. It is provide the platform to communicate hardware device to the user. Okay, hardware device communicate with the end user. Okay, getting? Now the next point is hardware component is divided, system software is divided in many parts, which the first is operating system. We have a study, the first point is operating system, part of system software. System software, the first part is called operating system. Operating system, आप ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को कहें, इसको कंप्यूटर का एक तरह से हार्ट भी कह सकते हैं, जो कंप्यूटर के सारे फंक्शन को करवाने में सपोर्ट करता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम प्ले एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन योर कंप्यूटर. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम प्ले एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन योर कंप्यूटर. इट्स सेम एज the time of network as a task manager. Okay, in the server time it's perform a task as a task manager. Which instruction is given to which system or a which computer, okay, or a which demand is complete quickly. So they are follow the all instruction and collecting the all raw data or information by the user and give the output result exactly. Okay, and it is main platform between the hardware and user. All the examples of operating system is Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, Unix, and you know that the Indian operating system was Bharat Operating System Software. Okay, so these are the operating system to operate your computer. Some examples of operating system: Android application, Android, Windows 7, Windows 8, 10. Okay, Linux, Unix, Mac, Linux, Unix, Mac. Okay, these are the example of operating system. So now next is called utility and drivers. Next is called utility driver. It is also the part of the operating system software. It is called utility. Utility is a part of the system software. And we have studied about the utility is, you know that the antivirus is installed in your computer, and this antivirus is performing the task to protect your computer with the virus. Okay, so it is also a part of the system software, and we say that it is a utility software. Okay, and it is a part of system software. Or more example, when you go to the start menus, go to the accessories and go to the system tool, where the system tool, disk defragment, disk cleanup, these are also utility software, which arranging the arranging your file folder and communicate with the network of your computer. These are also utility software. Okay, currently it is also mixed with the master software, which is also called operating system. Currently we uses the utility driver also installed with the OS. Okay, and these are the example, antivirus and disk defragment, etc. Now third is device driver. Children, when you want to be attach your computer with the new another one device, okay, as a biometrics, as a printer, plotter, etc. So these device, how to operate by the computer? So that time we have query of the software to control of that particular device. So we have need of device driver. Okay, we have need of the particular device driver, and we uses this device driver to control this device. Okay, now the next is called लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर है, लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर. चिल्ड्रेन, do you know about already you know that what is the language translator? Okay, we have maximum two type of the language translator currently uses, interpreter and compiler. I give the one example of the language translator. What is the language translator? Suppose you are the Indian and someone person Chinese. You have the good knowledge of English and Hindi, and the Chinese person have the only the knowledge of the Chinese language. So how to communicate you with the Chinese person? That time you have the query of one person which have the good knowledge of the Chinese language and Hindi and English. Okay, so this person which is mediator between you and the Chinese person is called translator, and this person communicate your language easily and conversation in the Chinese language, and can also the Chinese language convert in Hindi or English and communicate with you at Chinese person. Okay, similarly the language translator is a translator which convert your language into the machine language, okay, low level language as a binary code, and also getting the information by the by the hardware component and convert in your language and give you. Okay, so these software, this system software is called language translator. Assembler is also a language translator which assembly language convert into the binary code. Interpreter is also a translator which translate the high level language into the low level language, and interpreter and compiler both are same functioning. Okay, so these are the language translator. आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा ये आप लोग बताएंगे कमेंट में, ठीक है. थैंक यू.